We got doctors on both coasts, including Charlie's personal doc in NYC, to weigh in.
Remission is not an unfair characterization. We call it undetectable. We think that his risk of advancing to further disease is minimal.
Now Extra's Life Changers team uncovers the 3 things you need to know.
All the arrows are pointing towards badness.
Charlie's personal doctor is here.
700,000 people walking around not treated. That results in this country, 50,000 new diagnoses of HIV every year and 18,000 deaths. That's unconscionable. Charlie does not have AIDS. AIDS is a condition when the HIV virus markedly suppresses the immune system and you're susceptible to rare, difficult cancers and infections. Charlie has none of those. He is healthy. So you're on 12 separate shots and pills a day for your diabetes. Did anybody ever look you in the eye and say that you're killing yourself? This isn't diabetes.
Right.
This is a one-way trip to the morgue. You're diabetic. Type 2 diabetes is totally reversible, but it takes hard work and perseverance. And it comes down to, Lisa, do you want to live?
Yes.
But you're not acting like it.
It's reversible, right?
Yes, yes, yes. It's not reversible if you don't kick some serious ass.
This is not working out in a gym where you're running against a wall, okay? This is what exercise should be. You're outdoors, you smell the grass, and you see the view, okay? This is what it's all about.
There's not one scintilla of hope or evidence that putting a patch on your tongue and not being able to eat for a month is going to have any effect on you at 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. One of the first things that was told to me by Dr. Rosenfeld was don't tell the players anything. And then later, one of the front office people actually said the same thing to me. Of course, I'm looking at both of them going, you got to be kidding. You know, what else does a doctor do?
Do you feel intimidation?
I always call it the final step in my crusade to do anything I can to try to make football just a little bit safer and, God forbid, a little bit saner.
Huizenga, he was really drilling him. Did you watch any of it today?
I think NFL football players are probably no different than lawyers in terms of attacking opponents and then after the event, shaking hands and going back to a civil, normal life. I was followed home with helicopters overhead and people trailing me and going through my garbage at night. But after a couple of days of that level of scrutiny, you kind of go, I haven't eaten for a day, you know, I wonder why. I'm a doctor.
These are not actors, these are actual medical professionals.
I'm pretty sure I know what I'm talking about. Now I have to use my only day off to talk to you idiots about vaccines?
Get your kids vaccinated.
Get your kids vaccinated.
Paid for by professionals who know what the hell they're talking about.
Thank you, doctors.
Okay, all right, come on, come in here and say athletes, okay? 1, 2, 3, on 3, athletes.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, athletes.
Athletes.
All right, go.